Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Just for Math. In this video, I want to show you guys how to divide numbers in other bases other than base 10 by long division method. Okay, most students over the years have usually found division of numbers in other bases somehow challenging. Why? Because they have to go through the stress of converting the given numbers to base 10, perform the division in base 10, and convert the answer back to the given base. That can be a long a process most times. Okay, here I want to show you how to just go ahead with the division by long division method in any base other than base 10. All right, uh, now all you need to know, or all you need to do before dividing any given number in other bases, is simply get the multiplication of the divisor. Yeah, get the multiplication of the divisor, then you perform your division. So I will explain that right away. Now, but before we divide any number, I would like us to take an example. Let's start by multiplying two numbers in a given base. So let's work with, let's say, base 3. Yeah, base 3 is cool. All right, but this works for any base other than base 10, including base 10. Of course, you guys are used to base 10, so let's leave out base 10 for now. So this works for any other base. Let me multiply two numbers. Say 2 1 1 base 3 times 1 2 1 base 3. Okay, what I'm about to do is to multiply these numbers, then divide their products by one of the number. So while I'm doing the division, I will explain how to go about direct division of numbers in other base. So let's go ahead with the multiplication by long multiplication method. 2 1 1 times base 3 times 1 2 1 base 3. All right, 1 times 1, that is 1. Don't forget this multiplication is done in base 3. All right, 1 times 1, that is 1. 1 times 2, that will be 2. 2 times 1, that is 2. 2 times 1 again, 2. 2 times 2, 4. But 4 is greater than 3. Then we need to divide 4 by 3. 4 divided by 3 is 1 with a remainder of 1. So it means that 2 times 1 is 1 1, right? 1 1. That is, this 1 is the number of times 3 goes into 4. This other one is the remainder. So 1 is the quotient, the other one is the remainder. And let's move to the next digit, 1. This 1 times 1, that is 1. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 2, that will be 2. Next we have to do is to add. Let's add these numbers in base 3. Okay, the addition will be done in base 3 because the two numbers are in base 3, right? Bring this one down. 1 1 plus 1 1 plus 2 rather, that will be 3, but we're working in base 3. We're not expected to have 3 in our answer, so it means we divide 3 by 3, that is 1, remainder 0. Okay, so it means we take down the remainder and write the quotient to take the quotient to the next digit, which is 1. 1 plus 1 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. Again, we divide 6 by 3, that is 2 with a remainder of 0. We write down the 0 and take 2 to the next digit. So take down 0, which is the remainder, and take 2 to the next digit. 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4. So this is 1 1, right? So 1 plus 1 plus 2, which is 4. We write down 1 1. So it means that we'll multiply 2 1 1 base 3 by 1 2 1 base 3. The answer is 1 1 1 0 0 1 base 3. Okay, I hope you guys understand this multiplication process, but don't forget my focus is not on multiplication but division of numbers in other bases by long division method. Alright, having said this or having gone through this, why don't we proceed and let me show you how to perform this division. Okay, let's divide the products 1 1 1 0 0 1 base 3 by one of the numbers. Let's say let's divide by 1 2 1 base 3. Of course, we know that when we do this division, we're expected to arrive at this answer 2 1 1 base 3. So we know our destination. Okay, we know what we're expected to get. All right, now that we have gotten to this point, what I advised earlier is get the multiplication table of the divisor. In this case, the divisor is 121 base 3. So I need this multiplication table 121 base 3 times 1 121 base 3 times 2, and that will be all. Because I'm working in base 3, I need to get 121 times 1 121 times 2. If this division were to be in base 4, I need to get 121 times 1 121 times 2 121 times 3. If it were to be in base 5, I need to multiply up to 121 times 4. Do you understand? So that is how to go about it. Now with this multiplication table, it will help me to aid in the division process. So 121 times 3 is 121. Sorry, 121 times 1 rather in base 3 is 121, right? Now let's solve for 121 in base 3 times 2. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, that is 4, which is 1 in base 3. 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, that is 3, which is 1 in base 3. It means the answer here is 1012 base 3. Okay, this is cool, right? Now that we've gotten the multiplication table of 121 in base 3, it is high time for us to continue with the division. Okay, how do you go about this? Consider the first 3 digits, because the divisor is a 3-digit number 121. You consider the first 3 digits 111. In this case, 111 is less than 121. You extend to the first 4 digits 1110. Now you ask yourself, how many 121 are there in 1110? To answer that question, you look at the multiplication table you have by your side. So 121 times what number gives 1110, or a number closer to it but less than it? Okay, and we have here 1012. Of course, 1012 is less than 1110, right? Yeah, that is it. So it means that 121 in base 3, we go into 1110 in base 3 2 times. Do you understand, guys? To go into it 2 times. Now write 2 at this position. Okay, the next step you have to take is to divide multiply 121 in base 3 by 2, and of course we have that answer already. That is 1012. Now make sure the number is written under the first 4 digits considered. Then you subtract these numbers in base 3. Because I'm performing my subtraction in base 3, when you attempt to subtract 2 from 0, which is not possible, you have to borrow 1 from this guy, from 1. We're left is 0. Don't forget to working in base 3, that one becomes 3 as it lands on this digit. So this is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 minus 2, that is 1. Okay, and 0 minus 1 is not possible. Again, borrow 1 from this guy. We have 0, and as it lands here, it becomes 3, right? So we have 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 0 minus 0, that's 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So it means when you subtract 1 0 1 2 from 1 1 1 0, the answer is 2 1. Okay, the next thing you have to do, the next step you have to take, is to get this other digits down, which is 0. Write it down together with the answer after subtraction. So that is 2 1 0. Next, you divide 2 1 0 by 1 2 1. So how many 1 2 1s are there in 2 1 0? Fall back to your multiplication table right here. You ask yourself, 1 2 1 times what number is equal to 2 1 0? Okay, when you look at it, 1 2 1 times 1 is 1 2 1, and 1 2 1 times 2 is 1 0 1 2, which is far bigger than 2 1 0. So it means 1 2 1 can go into 2 1 0 just one time. Right, 1. Now multiply 1 by 1 2 1. You get 1 2 1. Now perform your subtraction again in base 3. 0 minus 1, that is not possible. You borrow 1 from this guy, you left it 0, and add that 1 to 0. Add 3 to 0 because you're working in base 3. Subtract 1 from 3, that will be 2. 0 minus 2 is not possible again. Comes, borrow 1 from this guy, you left it 1, add it here, that is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 minus 2, that is 1. And 1 minus 1 is 0. Alright, next step you need to take is to get the next digits down. Write it down, that is 1. Okay, again, you divide 1 to 1 by 1 to 1, which is obviously 1. 1 times 1 to 1, 1 2 1. And when you subtract, you get 0 0 0. So it means we've gotten to the end of this division. Therefore, when you divide 1 1 1 0 0 1 base 3 by 1 2 1 base 3, the answer is 2 1 1 base 3 as expected. Okay, that is how, or this is how to perform division of numbers in other bases by long division method without going through conversion to base 10, dividing in base 10, and going back to conversion, to the base of interest. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll do another video on division of numbers in other bases, solving another question for better understanding. Now feel free to drop comments or questions in case you want me to explain any other part of this division. I know it can be tricky at times. And also remember to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel in case you're yet to do so, and also click on the notification button to get notified once I post new content. Guys, I love you guys. Take care of yourself. Have a wonderful day ahead. Goodbye.